Hey guys, Jacob here with Protect My Tesla, here to talk to you guys about ceramic coatings. They're getting more and more popular every day and a lot of people are talking about them. So I'm going to give you some basic points and information about the coatings and how they work. Now, what is ceramic coating? The main ingredient in a lot of ceramic coatings is silica dioxide, more commonly known as silica. And these silica particles are suspended in the solution that make up the ceramic coating. Once applied, these silica particles fill in the tiny pores of the paint and form a hard glass layer once fully cured. This creates a sacrificial layer on top of the clear coat that prevents against light scratches, gives it that ultra hydrophobicity, gives it UV protection, and it won't ever wash off with chemicals or detergents. It will also amplify the gloss of the paint significantly, making it super shiny. It sounds too good to be true, like snake oil. This magical coating is supposed to protect your car from any scratches and it'll never get dirty again. The problem is a lot of installers oversell the coating. The product is awesome and an amazing feat of technology, but you're still gonna have to wash it. Dirt is still gonna get on the car, and it doesn't really create that magical force field that a lot of installers say it will. It's gonna make your life easier though, and that's the biggest thing. Washing and drying time is significantly reduced, and your car will stay looking brand new pretty much every time you wash it. And it's superior to wax and sealant because it protects your car for years and not just a few days. Here we use Ceramic Pro. It's the most popular high-end professional coating. There's a ton of coatings out there, ranging from stuff you can buy on Amazon for DIY use, or professional grade products like this that you can't purchase as a general consumer. With professional grade coatings like Ceramic Pro, the installer must be certified in order to purchase and apply the coating itself. Now with these professional coatings, they're also backed by warranties from the manufacturer and the installer, just in case the coating fails for whatever reason or something happens to the car. Ceramic Pro offers a plethora of products specifically designed for each surface of your car. Whether if it's your paint, glass, wheels, paint protection film, vinyl wrap, convertible soft tops, or interior, Ceramic Pro offers a coating specifically tailored for that surface of the car. If you're interested in having your car ceramic coated, navigate to our Find an Installer section on our website, and we'll actually help you find one in your area that can assist you.